In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete an activity in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're new to Pipedrive or just want a faster way to keep your to-do list tidy, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to mark an activity as done, so your pipeline stays accurate and up to date. First, head to the left-hand sidebar of your Pipedrive workspace and click on Activities. This is your central hub for tasks like calls, meetings, emails, and follow-ups. Opening it brings up a clear list view, so you can scan everything that's on your plate at a glance without digging around in different sections. It's designed to help you stay organized and move deals forward efficiently. Once you're in the Activities view, you'll see a table listing all your activities. Each row represents a specific task, and the columns give you quick context, things like what the activity is, when it's due, and who it's related to. Front and center for what we're doing today is the first column, labeled Done. Think of this as your completion switch. It's the quickest way to tell Pipedrive, this one's finished. Now, when you've completed an activity, maybe you wrapped up that call or finished that follow-up, simply find the activity in the list and click in the Done column on that row. That single click marks the activity as completed. You'll see it update right away, which helps you maintain a clean, accurate list and ensures nothing lingers longer than it should. This tiny habit pays off. It keeps your daily view focused on what still requires attention and makes your reporting more reliable. As you work through your list, take a brief moment to confirm you're clicking the correct row, especially if several activities look similar. Completing the right item keeps your records tidy and your next steps clear. If your list feels long, scanning by due date or subject first can make it easier to spot the one you just finished, but the core action remains exactly the same. Click the Done column for the activity you've completed, and there you go. That's all it takes to complete an activity in Pipedrive. Open Activities from the left sidebar, look for the Done column in the first position, and click it for the task you've finished. Simple, fast, and effective. Keep using this quick step as you move through your day, and you'll notice your pipeline stays cleaner, your workload feels lighter, and your momentum keeps building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.